Knock, knock, Jeff. Plumber's here. Let's see where that water heater's at. Jeff? Plumber's here. Oh, yikes. Looks pretty new though.
It's coming from underneath.
Oh, it's underneath.
Hang on.
How you doing?
Not too bad. Yeah, my ticket said you had a problem with your water heater leaking or something.
I picked her up from work this morning. When I came home, there was steam coming out. There's a big puddle on the ground.
Uh-huh.
Water all out here.
And the water's turned off now?
Yeah, I turned it off
Okay.
here at the hot water tank.
Yeah. So you turn it off here or at the
I
street?
turned it off right here.
Okay, excellent. So you still got toilet water and stuff then?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
And then it was
Okay.
that pipe right there. It's almost at that black hose.
Yeah.
It was just all pouring out through there.
Oh, it was?
Yes.
That's your TMP. That's your blow-off valve, I think. Right?
I have no idea, to be honest.
Tell you what, let me go get a little stool. I can jump up there and we'll turn this up and we'll recreate that through that. Because see this pipe right here? That pipe right there is your blow-off valve.
Okay.
It only goes off if there's a temperature or the pressure is exceedingly high.
Okay.
If that's where it was coming from, that's
Yeah,
great.
that's
You guys
it.
are in good shape. But I'm
Okay.
going to still check it, and if we have to change it, we will. But
Awesome.
yeah, I just want to grab a couple tools, and we'll get you taken care of.
No problem, thank you.
No, that's no problem. I thank you. The last one was a problem.
The last one.
Dude, I had roots this big around
Oh, shit.
a pipe on the footer of the house.
Wow.
You know what? I never could find, it was 1.25 inch copper on a house.
Really?
Nobody has that kind of pipe in town.
Wow.
At least today.
Yeah.
So, I mean, all I was able to do was just Band-Aid, put a piece of rubber on there with some clamps.
Wow.
It didn't leak, but it'll work until Monday. This here I should be able to cover. Yeah, where are them at? What the hell? What's going on here? So these pieces of shit now? Oh crap. We're gonna shoot with it now. Let's see what this guy. This guy and Oh, my other tester. Where's that guy? Oh, this is that other tester, huh? Yeah, let's do that. We'll test it with this. Let's do that. Yeah, if I do that with this, then I'll be able to. Then I'll be able to set that down there and let it blow on it. Right? Okay, cool. So we'll use there. Put this on there with a screwdriver. Okay, here's that. Let's grab a screwdriver. Got this. Let's grab a screwdriver. Oh, there's a bigger one right here. Amen. Got it right there. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I actually took video
Did ya?
of it.
Spraying pretty good?
Wasn't horrible. I mean, yeah.
All right. Is that going off right now? Am I hearing that going off?
The water?
Down below, or is it just heating up?
Yeah, it's still coming.
It is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Then it's probably, it's got to be the temperature. What's our temperature set on this thing at? It's not terribly high.
Yeah, I mean, it's been where it's been set for the last 5 years.
Yeah.
Nobody's touched it.
So it's probably just going bad, that TMP. I could just replace that thing real quick. I mean, that's what it is, because our pressure isn't too high. We're at 60 pounds. I was going to say, sometimes I have surges.
Uh-huh.
You know, little water surges. You know, but this is probably just
a valve.
Yep, this guy right here, I think.
Yeah.
I should have one on the truck. I'll have to dig one up, but more than likely that's it. So, I could tap on it and try to rig it, you know?
Yeah.
But yep, it probably needs to be fixed, repaired,
Okay.
replaced.
No problem.
Gives me something to do on a Saturday, right?
I've been working all week, so.
Have ya?
Yeah, I'm glad to have the Saturday off.
Nice. I get every Saturday to work. Nobody else wants to work on Saturdays at my shop.
That's the way it is, too, huh?
Yeah, it is, but it used to be that way for me too when I was raising my family.
Yep.
Now-
You worked wherever you could just to make the money to
Yeah.
support the family.
Yeah, now I don't have, my family's all grown up and gone, and
Right, I'm too for the most part.
wife's finally left me. So it's just me, myself, and I now. All
Well,
right.
that makes it a little easier to work on a Saturday then, huh?
Oh yeah, that's why I don't mind. I have no life. I go home and watch other plumbers on YouTube. That's how pathetic my life is. Serious. It's ridiculous. All right, see what I can find for. If I got one of those long-throated ones.
All right.
I mean, or we'll just cap it. How's that sound?
Oh, no.
Oh, not in there. It'd be in here. There's a long one right here. Bam. Looks like that'll work probably. I don't know if it's taken out for some reason or whatever. There's a long throw. Same. Here, yeah, this is actually that looks like more like the one that they put on there. But I know that tank is thicker than that. And we could go wrong by putting the longer one in. So that's what we're gonna do. This one used, if it is, it doesn't look like it was used much, but I'm not gonna I won't fuck around with it. Just change it right and be done. Yes. This okay. Stay in there. We'll take this and this and this. And there's more shits in there too. Let's get some of this shit as well. Okay, we're down to 0. All right, good deal. Oh, Jesus Christ. That flex over the next doing too good either, but it ain't really anything to affect the life of this thing, I don't think. That's that electric union right there, is what that is. And I suspect this thing has just been a growing issue. Yeah, I gotta go get another fucking pipe wrench. God damn it. Fucking not gonna do it. I doubt this thing's gonna do it either. Somebody got that on there so fucking tight. Grab some of these tools and get that thing on. Oh shit, there goes that, there goes that, great. Alright, let's get this guy ready to go. Oh, I was dripping out. went bad. Wait a minute, what am I doing? Let's put that thing back on. It works the right way. All right, let's turn the water back on so it's got hot water. That should be good right there. Thing's weighs fucking 800 pounds. That's how you make the big bucks. Piece of shit. Okay, let's test this now. If she's at that test, let's go ahead. We'll close that for now. And we'll see where we're at. We're at 60 pounds. We'll see if she goes drops in from that time on. I just had to put that on there, so. No. navigating with plumber call. Right there. And a backward China boat tool. Alright, here we go. Right there. Right there. Oh shit. Alright, I need my phone now. Bummer. Last one, 303, 35. Around here. This one. I want to make a sticker on that damn water heater. That's one there. Sticker on that sugar. I think that was Mark Martin. 210 West Wade. And what is that, Summit? Yeah, Summit. It's 12/2/23. And we're in Payson. AZ 855. J leak at near water heater. Found safe T valve was not resealed, was not sealing. Checked temperature 120 Fahrenheit and pressure at 60 lbs. So replaced with the LFL LFLL or 100 XL. Oh, that's the LL. Yeah, that's the LL. and reconnect, and check for leaks. Tenant, I'm gonna have a tenant sign here. Tenant is Jeff. He is work has been performed. Oh, above work has been performed. Above work has been performed. It's gonna be about 25. I'm gonna probably say 35 bucks for that thing. It's probably not cheap. 32.50 or 287. Okay. For part, labor, one, 202.50. So we have 5, 4, 245, 245.31 total. Okay, cool. She's all done. I just gotta go check to make sure it's not still sealed. All right. See if we lost any pressure now. If we hadn't, well, put that cap back on and be good. Oh, I'm fixing it. I'm gonna do this. Fucking sticker on here. Right there, right now. And we are not losing any pressure. Okay, good. Nope, I haven't lost any. Okay, good. Seal that back up. That's it, Sean. Well, it looks a little bit cross-eyed. There you go, you can have that. Let's keep that, it's all free, it's free memento. Checking the water back there, right? Yeah, we're good. Okay, we're good. Yeah, we're fell down. We're good, hot water, good. I think this is calcification and shit. All right, Jeff, I think we're done. I think we're all done, Jeff. All we need now is is the 300 from you.
What's that?
300 from you. Payment.
That's all right. I'll pay it too.
I'll probably talk to Mark. I don't know. I've never dealt with him, so I don't really know him. So.
Yeah, they've had ton of accounts.
And if I,
Mike always takes care of things.
I'm sure he does. Oh, is it Mike, not Mark?
Yeah, Mike.
Okay, they wrote Mark down on my paperwork.
Yeah, if something ever came back though, what I do is I just pay it and then deduct it from my rent.
Right.
I've done that before.
And if you want to do that, we can. But
No.
I just got a thing for you to sign. If you will do this,
Yeah.
if you'll just let's go over to my office. If you'll just that I will perform the work. I put in a brand new one in there.
Everything's good?
Yeah, so it's not leaking. I even tested it for pressure to make sure I'm not leaking, and it was everything's holding and everything's holding.
Good.
My gauge didn't drop a bit, so
Good.
and then that way I can send that to him.
Awesome.
Right, you're good to go.
All right.
We sure appreciate it. Thanks for
Do I
calling.
need a copy or no?
You know that's
Send
yeah.
that to him.
Here, you send it. You hang on to it for yourself, okay?
Oh, okay. I was gonna say I didn't know if you guys were gonna send him a copy.
Well, I do want to send him a copy.
Go ahead and take that one then. And you
Okay.
Just mail it to him or whatever you need to do.
Mike. That's our
Yeah, Mike Martin.
she's from back east, like Illinois or something like that. Our answering service. Yeah, and she spells Gila with an H.
Oh wow! Oh, wow!
You know, Gila Drive. And
Yeah. Wow.
you ought to see her butcher muggle on.
That's funny.
She don't know what any of that is. I know it is kind of funny, and she's dyslexic too, I think. So we got to kind of read through the lines, you know,
Yep.
find out what she's trying to say sometimes.
Good deal.
But at least she answers the phone and dispatches us right away on the weekends, or me, I guess I should say.
Details later, huh?
Yeah, that little shit. If I have to, I'll just call her back and say, "Hey, man, what's going on?"
Yep.
I used to do that too. Back in the day, I used to give her shit. And then Charlie, my boss, he's like, man, she's been with us. I've been using her for years, like
Really?
many years. And I'm like, really? Okay, then I won't give her such a hard time then, I guess. But, yeah, you're all squared away. And I think I'm going to go take care of some other things I got to take care of. Jeff, thanks for calling again, and I'll let Mike know.
Yep.
That he's all covered. And yeah, what's his bill? It's only like $250 or less than that for a weekend. Ain't too bad.
That's what I told our kid. All times it had to happen Saturday morning.
Of course. You know, and it's a good thing. I'm gonna let him know. I'm gonna let him know that it was a good thing that you called it right away, because that could have caused a lot of damage.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So
you know, it was kind of funny. She said to me just yesterday, our gas and our water bills both went up,
oh really?
and it wasn't by much.
Yeah.
But, like $20 each, and I thought.
You know what
and I
that's
thought
been
at
doing
that
is it's probably
time-
been leaking for a while.
Yeah, so that's what I realized. I kind of thought about that then, and I thought, well, I haven't noticed anything.
Right.
And this morning I picked her up, 7 o'clock this
You'll
morning.
probably save a little bit on your water and gas bill now,
Yeah, exactly.
because they get corroded. Oh, that corrosion starts. I left it in there too, by the way.
Oh, did you?
You can analyze it, cut it in half, whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Hey,
Pretty corroded though, huh?
it wasn't corroded. It wasn't highly corroded or excessively like I would think.
Yeah.
But I think that's the only way they go bad. I mean, how else?
Just failed, huh?
There's safety devices to make sure that you don't exceed the pressure or the temperature. And I checked both of them. I checked the pressure and the temperature. Pressure is our temperature wasn't, I mean, you'd know if it was hot. You'd be burning your skin off. And generally that's a good indication that that blow off's bad because of the temperature, when the skin's peeling off you, from after taking a shower. So you don't really need that valve for that, but I guess for pressure, and it wasn't highly, I think it's just corrosion.
Yeah.
But it's okay. He probably needs to flush that system out anyway.
Okay.
I'll let him know maybe he should, as maintenance,
Yeah.
it's a good idea to flush that shit out of the bottom. It's just going to start costing him money. I think that was installed in 2018, so
Oh, so it's still fairly new then.
it is. It's probably still close to being under warranty, but you want to keep that thing maintained to get as much as you
All we gotta
can.
do is hook a hose up there and flush it out.
Yeah, that's it, really. Yeah, and you got the valve right there to turn it on and off.
I'll just go ahead and do it then. I won't even have to buy it.
All right. Yeah. I'll let you. Yeah, I got you. Thank you, Jeff. What happened? Yeah, you're good. You bet. That's the anatomy of a plumbing call. Look at that. I'm gonna shut this thing off. Call this guy. That was a quick call. See how long it took me here total. I gotta go home and get changed, man. I can't go to Jerry's looking like this. That's kind of ridiculous. Oh. Alright. Get some more coffee too. Alright, let's let Mike know what he's looking at for bills. The damages. Not really that bad, really. Considering. So now it's me. Okay, let's see what time it is. It is 38 minutes. Nice. Well, that was a 40-minute video right there, and 40-minute job. That was $245 with a bill written too. So you can make a couple bucks plumbing if you want. It's up to you. I'm out for Saturday, at least for now. However, I turn this shit off.